Crazy8744 here, and I'm going to do a video of my grandma throwing fries on the ground.
Tell me where you can see good.
I can see, yeah, that's good.
Okay. You see good there?
Yeah. Oh God, troops are coming in. Most of them went away over there.
Oh, that's because they've got...
What? Oh, they're coming. Troops are coming.
That's because the other woman gave them some over there. So they're busy over there.
Yeah, they'll come
that
over.
Stinks.
Oh, some of them are coming over though.
Oh, there was supposed to be a whole flock of them. Okay. But that woman's feeding them over there.
Well, next time we go out, we'll do another one. And guys, I got film game night for it today, so I'm gonna do a video of that later.
Here comes some. Look it over there. Get that over there. See them all over there? Flying?
There's tons of them.
Well, that stinks.
They're like, more for me. Do you think people feed them a lot?
Well, that woman good.
They must be
that
hungry.
Stinks. That screwed up our video.
Whatever, I'll upload it anyway. I'll do a part 1 and part 2. The part 2 is going to be really good. It won't be until maybe a long time. 3 weeks or a month maybe. So yeah guys, there's about 100 of them over there. Not even kidding. Oh, I'm about to run over. I'm going to have to do a part 2 because I'm running out of battery.